Hello, this is Tony Tronzo, Fleet Manager at Shults Ford. I'm going to go over the Tuesday tip of the day, which is Apple CarPlay. With every vehicle we have that has the Sync 3 feature in it, you could access Apple CarPlay. All you have to do is take your USB lightning cord, plug it right into your USB slot, plug it into your phone, and Apple CarPlay will display on your Sync 3 display. Inside here, you have access to all your contacts, text messages. Your home button takes you right back here, and you can tell Siri what you want to do. You also have access to maps. With maps, you could use this as a navigation feature. If your vehicle is not equipped with navigation, you have access to all your maps right here, and you can enter a destination on Google Maps. It will display right here for you. Really nice feature. You have Pandora apps that will display here, so you could search all your Pandora stations that you might have. There's multiple other apps that you could use with it too. These are just a few examples. Thank you very much and have a great day.